Tax season can be overwhelming for business owners, but being organized can make a big difference. In this video, you'll get a clear, simple checklist to help you prepare your business finances for tax filing. First, understand your business structure. It determines the tax forms you need and how you file. Gather all financial documents like income statements, receipts, bank and credit card statements, payroll records, and invoices. Track your income sources carefully, including sales, investments, and any side gigs. Keep thorough records of expenses such as supplies, utilities, rent, and insurance. Organize your receipts and invoices by category and date to simplify reporting and support deductions. Review payroll details if you have employees and confirm employment tax compliance. Prepare necessary tax forms, including any 1099s, W-2s, and business-specific forms like Schedule C or Form 1120. If you use accounting software, make sure it's up to date and reconcile your accounts. Consider working with a CPA or tax professional for accuracy and maximizing deductions. Finally, plan ahead by keeping records throughout the year to ease future tax seasons. Have questions? Visit our website or email us directly. If you found this video helpful, or know someone who might, please like, comment, and share. Want the latest updates? Subscribe today and stay informed.